She's a Mona Lisa.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Anne. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you've been here, thank you for being a part of this family. In this video, I'm basically going to be showing you guys my new year / new month reset routine.
There must be something about a feature.
I first like to start by taking down all of my Christmas decorations just to be able to reset my space, to know that it's no longer a time for partying, a time for holidays, but more so a time to get back to work.
It goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar.
The next thing I like to do in order to reset for the new year is to basically organize and declutter my space, and what that usually means for me is to get rid of anything that I don't use or I haven't used in a really long time, and that is usually clothes. So I usually just go through my closet and I gather all of the clothes that I don't wear anymore, and if they're in bad condition, I either get rid of them, or if they're in good condition, then I put them in a box or I pack them in bags for donation.
Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features.
The great thing about decluttering is the fact that by the end of it, you end up with a closet that is so much more organized, so much neater, and aesthetically pleasing. And that, to me, is everything.
Like Picasso, she brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way, you didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that year, who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back.
So the next thing on our list is to clean and declutter your bathroom, and basically the rest of your house as well. But for the bathroom specifically, make sure that you do a nice deep cleaning, and make sure you give yourself plenty of time to do this so that you don't feel rushed and you don't feel like you have to get all of this done all at the same time.
You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features.
I also love to declutter all of my cabinets and all of my drawers just to get rid of items that I haven't used in a long time, and especially if you're somebody who uses a lot of hair products, then you probably have products all the way in the back of your cabinets that you haven't used in years, so it definitely helps to get rid of all of those. One of my absolute most favorite time about the new year or the new months is getting to sit down with my planner and with my calendars to reevaluate my goals from the last year and to set new ones for either this new year or this new month. And I do this on a regular basis, and if you guys haven't seen my Plan With Me video, I will definitely link it above for you to check it out. And if you guys would like to see a more detailed video on how I plan and make new goals for either the new months or for the new years, then definitely let me know down in the comments, and I'll be sure to get that up on my channel for you guys. But other than that, that'll be it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you.